Make fists and place them in close where the neck joins the shoulders. And then slowly bring your elbows in closer and then farther away. So it's very simple. Flat fist, in close where the neck joins the shoulders. Bring your elbows in closer and closer and closer. That redirects the angle of the flat fist. Good. And then bring the elbows. You're coming back up and inhale. And then you're just rocking the flat fist onto the trapezius muscle, the top of the shoulder. You can also do this if you come in close to the neck. Come closer and closer, your chest to the head, top of the head. Elbows out more. And apply the pressure and the rocking into the neck. Take deep breaths. Nice, slow, even, full deep breaths. This opens the yang meridians.